हेलो, वेलकम टू सुमो बायोलॉजी। चलिए आज हम लोग कुछ क्वेश्चन लगाते हैं सेल साइकिल से, सेल साइकिल एंड सेल डिवीजन से। ओके, तो विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट इज ट्रू? अ डिप्लॉयड सेल प्रोड्यूसेस 4 डिप्लॉयड सेल। डिप्लॉयड सेल प्रोड्यूसेस 4 हैप्लॉयड सेल. This is true and parental cell. It undergo meiosis. Meiosis occurs in two phases: meiosis first and meiosis second. So at the end of meiosis first, two daughter cells get formed, and these two daughter cells are haploid in nature. So a diploid cell produces 4 haploid cell in meiosis. So this is not the correct statement. Statement number 2 says the chromosome number is reduced to half in daughter cells in mitosis. Mitosis is equational cell division. The daughter cells that get formed contain same number of chromosomes as its parental cell. So the chromosome number is not get reduced to half in mitosis, rather it remain the same. So this is also not the correct statement. The chromosome number remains the same like parent cell in meiosis. No, this is also not correct. As we discussed earlier, at the end of meiosis, the daughter cell that get formed contains half of the chromosome as per its parental cell. So this is also not the correct. None of the above. You should go with none of the above. Which of the following is true? None of the above. The next question is, select the correct option. Which phase occupies the maximum part of cell cycle? So interphase is the interphase that is divided further into G1, S and G2. Interphase occupies the most of the maximum part of the cell cycle. Interphase follows by M phase. This is interphase. So which phase occupies the maximum part of cell cycle? Interphase occupies the most part of the cell cycle. One cycle of cell division in human cells takes about 24 hours, in which proper cell division lasts only for about an hour, while interphase lasts more than 95%. 95% duration of the total cell cycle. So the correct answer is interphase. You should go with interphase. Identify the correct statement with regard to G1 phase of interphase. With regard to G1 phase of interphase, identify the correct statement with regard to G1 phase. Reorganization of cell components take place. No, this is not the correct. Cell is metabolically active, grows but does not replicate its DNA. It is the correct. This is the correct statement. In G1, cell is metabolically active, it grows but does not replicate its DNA. Nuclear division take place that occurs in M phase, not in G1 phase. The G1 phase is the part of interphase. DNA synthesis take place. DNA replication occurs in during S phase, synthesis phase, not G phase. So G1 phase. So you should go with cell is metabolically active, grows but does not replicate its DNA. This is the question from your NEET question paper 2020. Some dividing cells exit cell cycle and enter vegetative inactive stage. This is called quiescent stage. This process occurs at the end of G1 phase. At the end of G1 phase, G1, S, G2, M. At the end of M phase, two cells get formed. Daughter cells, they enter in G1, and sometimes they exit the G1 and enter into the G0. So some cells, somatic cells, exit cell cycle and enter vegetative inactive stage. This is called quiescent stage, and this process occurs at the end of G1 phase. Cells in G0 phase of cell cycle, they exit cell cycle. They enter cell cycle? No. They suspend cell cycle? No. They terminate cell cycle? No. They exit cell cycle. It is written in your NCERT over the page number 164. It is a question from NEET 2019. In which stage of cell cycle are histone proteins are synthesized in an eukaryotic cell? In which stage of cell cycle are histone proteins synthesized? Histone proteins synthesized in the G2 phase of prophase, in S phase, entire prophase, telophase. So the correct answer is in S phase of interphase. Histone proteins are primarily synthesized in S phase of interphase. In somatic cell, a short interphase is followed by a long mitotic phase. Interphase is long, mitotic phase is short. So this can't be the answer. DNA replication take place in S phase. Yes, this is correct. DNA replication take place. DNA duplication occurs in S phase. In G1 phase, DNA content is double. No, DNA content get double in S phase, not in G1 phase. G2 phase follows mitotic phase. No, this is also not the correct. Mitotic phase follows G2 phase. So the correct option is DNA replication take place in S phase. In S phase of cell cycle, amount of DNA doubles in each cell. Yes, this is the correct. Amount of DNA doubles in each cell. Amount of DNA remains same. No, DNA duplication take place. Therefore, amount of DNA get double. Chromosome number is increased. Chromosome number is not increased. Chromosome number remains constant. However, DNA content get doubled. Amount of DNA is reduced to half. No, amount of DNA get doubled. So the correct answer is amount of DNA doubles. This is the question from NEET 2019. Name the stage of mitosis in which chromosomes are arranged on the equator plate of spindle fiber. That is the phase metaphase. In metaphase, chromosomes get arranged at the equator. At which stage of mitosis two daughter chromatids separate from each other, migrate towards the opposite pole, and are now referred as chromosome of the future daughter nuclei. So in the anaphase of mitosis, these two daughter chromatids separate by splitting of centromere, and then these chromatids migrate towards the opposite pole and are now referred as chromosome of the future daughter nuclei. So answer is anaphase. Splitting of centromere and separation of two daughter chromatids occurs in anaphase. What are the key points? Which of the following is key event of anaphase? Chromosomes move to spindle equator and get aligned. This is the key event of metaphase. Chromosome split and chromatids get separate. Yes, this is correct. Centromere is split and chromatid get separated during the anaphase. Chromosome cluster at opposite spindle poles and their identity is lost. कह रहा जी क्रोमोसोम क्लस्टर हो जाएंगे अपोजिट स्पिंडल पे और आइडेंटिटी लॉस. ये कहाँ होगा? तो ये इवेंट होगा आपका टीलोफेज में. तो हमारा करेक्ट आंसर क्या है? ऑप्शन नंबर बी. यू शुड गो विद ऑप्शन नंबर बी. ओके. अब प्लांट साइटोकाइनेसिस. इन प्लांट सेल साइटोकाइनेसिस इज मार्क्ड बाय द अपीयरेंस ऑफ सेल प्लेट. सेल प्लेट रिप्रेजेंट. सेल प्लेट किसको रिप्रेजेंट कर रही है? मिडिल लैमेला को. सेल प्लेट ये किसको रिप्रेजेंट कर रही है? मिडिल लैमेला को. द आंसर इज इट रिप्रेजेंट्स मिडिल लैमेला. तो ये आपका पेज नंबर 166 पे लास्ट पैराग्राफ. तो एनसीईआरटी में पेज नंबर 166 के लास्ट पैराग्राफ में लिखा है दिस सेल प्लेट रिप्रेजेंट्स मिडिल लैमेला. यू शुड गो विद मिडिल लैमेला. सो दीज आर द फ्यू क्वेश्चंस. ये कुछ क्वेश्चन से प्रैक्टिस के लिए आपके सेल साइकिल और सेल डिवीजन क्वेश्चन आपके चैप्टर से. अगले किसी लेक्चर में आपसे किसी और चैप्टर के क्वेश्चंस के साथ मिलता हूँ. अगर ये आपको सेशन समझ में आया हो, अगर आपको सेशन लाइक किया हो, आपने पसंद किया हो, लाइक बटन हिट कर दीजिए. चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए. मिलता हूँ अगले किसी लेक्चर में. टिल देन गुड लक, गुड बाय, हैव अ नाइस डे. थैंक यू.